What's up guys, back with another video, and this video is a little bit different since a year ago I recorded another video about battery health, how to maintain good battery health, good battery condition on your smartphone. And the video was pretty good, to be honest. It gave you all the tips you needed, actually two of them, so you may check that video down in the description. And the tips basically said how to maintain good battery health over time, which I checked on myself and they actually work. But you know what? The thing is that actually nobody needs to care about this. Or maybe let me reframe it a little bit. Nobody has the time, effort and energy to micromanage your battery in your smartphone, because guess what? Smartphones do that for you, and they have built all the software it's needed to actually manage the battery health. And of course, like if you are draining your battery tremendously to like 0%, 5% and overheating your smartphone and stuff like that, no software is gonna prevent that. But the thing is that if you charge your smartphone like normally, just plug it through the night and let it charge, let it do the job, and it has somewhat decent of a battery capacity that it can get you through a day, your smartphone will manage that. And for example, Apple has optimized battery charging, which basically prevents your battery from charging to 100% and staying that throughout the night, since it's not the best. So what it does basically is actually it charges your phone up to 80%, and then it uses machine learning and stuff like that to learn your daily routine, so it will finish charging past 80% when you are ready to go. So like the battery is not being strained in any way whatsoever, like you don't have to worry about that. And if your smartphone can get you through a day and you finish a day with like 20%, because like if you are finished with 0%, yeah, it's gonna kinda a bit degrade battery more and faster, and there is no question about that. But if you are not overheating your phone, which is pretty much the most important thing, if you are not ending up with your battery literally drained to zero, like you literally don't have to worry about charging practices in the way that you don't have to micromanage the cycles or whatever of the battery of your phone. If you wanna do that, if for example you wanna trickle charge your phone when it's up like about 40%, let's say, or you wanna use slow chargers and stuff like that, that will definitely help. And don't get me wrong, I'm not saying that good battery practices, whatever it is, it's not good. It actually is. I use that because it's convenient for me. But the point of this video is that if something is not convenient for you, you're not gonna be a slave to your battery. And that's I think what this battery capacity or health features just introduce. People sometimes just keep checking the battery health and worrying, oh, do I have to do this and that? Actually, just use your phone, don't care about this stuff. Let the software take care of that, since you have optimized battery charging on your phone. And if you have that, you are good to go. And if you want to preserve your battery even more, just use the slow charger, since you are charging it throughout the night. So like it's not like MagSafe fast charger is gonna help you. It's not like fast charging is gonna help you, since it produces unnecessary heat. And if you are like charging throughout the night, it literally doesn't make sense for you to charge it within an hour, since it's still gonna be on a charger like 8 hours. So you know what I mean. Other than that, you don't really have to worry about micromanaging your cycles or battery or whatever, since software is responsible for that. It's gonna get the job done. And as long as you don't overheat your phone or don't discharge it like totally all the time, then your battery should be fine. And I mean, modern smartphones like iPhone 12, 13 Pro, these have very decent battery life, so they will get you through a day. And all you need to do is to just put on a charger or charge when it's convenient, and not worry about all of this stuff, since the software is gonna get the job done for you. And if you need to charge, just charge and don't care. Anyway, hope this video was helpful. If you wanna see more content like that, make sure to press the like button, smash that subscribe button. And if you like my content, you may want to check out my Instagram, which will be down in the description. Since I finally have Instagram, there's way more stuff happening there. So make sure to check that out. And hopefully until next time.